Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel.
Hello everyone, today I want to share with you one of my favorite hobbies, playing the keyboard. I love playing the keyboard because it's so much fun. When I sit down in front of my keyboard, I feel like I'm in a magical world of music. I can create beautiful melodies and exciting tunes with just my fingertips. The keyboard has so many keys and each key makes different sounds. Some keys make high-pitched sounds like twinkling star and others make deep, low sounds like rumbling thunderstorm. I can even make sounds like raindrops falling or birds singing. It's amazing how many different sounds I can make with my keyboard. I practice every day to become better and better at playing. I learn new songs and make up my own tunes too. Sometimes I play songs that everyone knows, and it's so much fun to see people tapping their feet and clapping their hands to the beat. Playing the keyboard also helps me relax. When I'm feeling a little sad or stressed, I can sit down at my keyboard and play soft, soothing music. It makes me feel better and happier. My family, friends love to listen to me play. I even play for my brother Faiz and Faki. And also my sister Fakiha, and it seems to make them really happy. It's so special to share my hobby with the people I love. In conclusion, playing the keyboard is my favorite hobby. It's a magical way to create music and share joy with others. I hope you all find a hobby you love just as much as love playing the keyboard. Thank you for listening. Bye!